Grand Magical Christmas Parade is a yearly activity ng SM Super Malls which is being held on select SM Super Malls para magbigay ng kasiyahan sa mga mall goers natin. Kung mapapansin ninyo, no, there are more than 80 Christmas characters ang pinresent namin. Meron tayong Santa Claus, we have elves, and also mga fairy tale royalty. Talagang it brings back yung kabataan natin, di ba? We really want to ensure that the mall goers will enjoy the spirit of Christmas, maramdaman nila sa SM. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa support ng media as well as sa marketing ng SM for making sure that this is being known by all the Nueva Ecijanos kasi pinrepare talaga namin to pagdating sa digital campaign as well as sa local media, lalong-lalo na kayo sa support ninyo. Because we want to make sure that all Nueva Ecijanos are aware at makapunta sila dito. Nakita natin, no? Ang dami talaga nag-prepare. Even before 2 o'clock, halos 1 o'clock pa lang puno na yung atrium natin for this. This is being held on select super malls lang. And we are glad na dito sa SM City Cabanatuan ginanap itong Grand Magical Christmas Parade. And we hope next year magkaroon ulit tayo dito.